Hello there, YouTube. I have a new typewriter here. It is a Smith Corona Super Sterling, if I'm not mistaken that word. But this one is interesting because it has the reversible ribbon, or the re-inkable. Either way, it's reusable. But also, another thing about this one is it still has the owner's manual with all the information you need to know about using it. Also, the case you can actually take the mechanism out of the case. I thought that was pretty cool, and all, because, well, that one had a case. typewriter had a cover that latched onto the top, a plastic cover. This one, you could get a case or dust cover for it, but they were just in them. This one you can actually lock it into place. I thought that was pretty cool. I got some onion skin paper here. I'm gonna show you how it works. And now this one I bought at the Goodwill for $26 and 49 cents. And the thing about it is you have to kind of be a little heavy on the keys. Return it. It has the normal lever return. Let's see. The quick brown fox jumped. The D key was made out of an F key. I'm guessing it might have got lost or something. Over the lazy D-O-G, dog. It has a bell in it. Now, I bought, I was thinking that this was a little too expensive for what it is. My dad even agreed on that. Well, the thing is, something that's not electric shouldn't be this expensive. Let's open it up here. It has the original type bars, type levers, a lever for each letter. And I figure I'm gonna still have to look into how you reverse the ribbon, whether or not you have to click a little mechanism or something. I just don't know, really, whether or not this thing has something to do with it. This owner's manual should tell me everything. Anyway, if any of you have any information on this, please let me know, because this one, it's a little different than one I had before. It was a Smith Corona, Coronatic, Coronet, whatever. And it was electric, same color. These keys were blue. This one was a little bit darker. The one was a a little bit darker blue or something. I just don't know about this one. Either this has something to do with it or something. But anyway, let's type something else here. And the shift button just puts the type bars down. He thrusts his fists against the post and still insists he sees the ghosts. And the reason you have to be a little heavy with this one is, well, it's not focusing. The thing about electric ones, like this, is they have a little shaft below the keys that swing them up harder than what you would do with a manual typewriter. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little find. Could use this one when I'm camping or something, and still have something to type on. Well, because I can't bring my Selectric, the blue one, or a quiet writer over there. That one don't have a ribbon in it no more. The ribbon got used up. And, well, either of these little Smith Coronas I can bring. Well, my camper, it's really my mother's camper. Well, my mama's and daddy's camper. It pretty much everything in it, like the table and the dressing table is flimsy and all that. But this one it's really very light. Also, ribbon, I'm guessing re-inks itself or something. I just don't know about this. But yeah, it's a nice little find. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you subscribe to me again. This is a new channel, a new username, because this phone here don't work. My old track phone, it don't work anymore. I'm planning on getting it fixed or something, but for now, like, comment, please comment. I still need more comments. I ain't getting enough comments. Bye.